My name is Lexi Lovetere. I'm a set decorator and a production designer, and this is why I create. Set decoration kind of came about when I was watching films and just seeing the cohesion, the balance, and the colors, and there wasn't really like a moment where I was like, that's like, you know, if I don't do that, then what am I doing? Set decoration for me is just like I saw the beauty in it and I wanted to be a part of that. I break down the script and basically I'll have to go and figure out, okay, what's required and then what do I need to add to make the story more whole and more believable, I guess. Because production design, it is the environment. And so if the environment's not right, then it's hard for the rest of the story to continue. So it actually plays a vital role, even though if it's doing its job, you're not going to notice it. When people think of self-discovery, it's like this aha moment, but it's kind of just a gradual process. Production design has really just been like an aid in doing that. I don't have to make these huge, gigantic changes or moves to make a difference or to show who I am. It's the little things. And so I think in a way I've found myself in that I don't need to be the forefront player. I don't need to be the one center stage. I want to be able to contribute to help make something beautiful. My name is Lexi Lovetere, and this is why I create.